Hit the wrong button before. It's March 11, 2019. It's 5:55 p.m. Arizona time, Lake Havasu. Havasu Landing Resort and Casino, Havasu Landing, California. We're getting a storm blowing in. It's supposed to get to 30, 35 mile an hour winds. It isn't that now. But looking at the neighbor's flag, and it is drizzling. It's more of a mist that coagulates. That's not too condenses into a raindrop. I'm not sure that we'll be able to pick up with a zoom on the neighbor's boat cover out there.
Huh?
Recording a video. That lake you're looking at is Lake Havasu, and Lake Havasu City is looking east. All right, a little bit more back to this flag. We'll put the camera away. And that wind I mentioned earlier isn't supposed to be getting here till tomorrow. This is just the beginning of the storm. So I can't tell you how fast this wind is going. I do know this, the other neighbor's flag. There it is. Bottom part unhooked. Both those flags are Blue Lives Matter, and one's the left one is Blue Lives Matter. The other one is Firemen's Lives Matter. Has a red stripe. Okay, here comes some more strong wind. I'm going to give a few more seconds with that flag. And the trees. And that's it for this one.